He did not like these pants. He didn't like them. He still don't like them. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and I am doing a pattern review on the Paperbag pants by Mac Pattern Company. So I've had this pattern cut out and ready to go for like over a year now. I finally just said, let me get up and make these pants, and that's what I did. But I'm not quite sure how much I like them. They're cute. The fabric is cute, but the aesthetic, I don't know. It could be me. Let me start by telling you a little bit about the pattern. This is a PDF pattern by Mac Patterns. The Paperbag pants come in capri, full, and tall lengths with slash pockets, elastic waist, and sash. Recommended fabrics are 4-way stretch, medium weight structure fabric such as Ponte, Liverpool, neoprene, or scuba with 30 to 50% stretch, knit fabric with good recovery. This pattern has 8 pieces: your back and front pants, your back and front waistband, your pocket outer and pocket liner, your sash ties, and your belt loops. Pattern comes in sizes extra, extra small to 5XL. And what I've learned about Mac patterns is that according to their size chart, I wear a large, but their medium fits me best. So that's what I continue to make. The construction process was very easy. One of the things that I like about Mac patterns is that their instructions are very detailed, yet simple and easy to follow. This is a PDF pattern, so you can follow the instructions on your laptop or computer or print them out, and they are in full color, which is another thing that makes them so easy to follow. I believe the pants fit as good as they should. I think I probably should have used a different fabric, something with a little more structure. I think that may have been the problem with how I feel about the pants overall. I think the fabric that I used was just a little too loose, but they could still work. I just have to find the right top, and I'll tell you about that later. The only adjustments I made to this pattern were for height. This pattern is designed for a person of 5'6" or 5'7", and I'm a short girl, so I did shorten this pattern by 6 inches, and they hit me just right. When it came to the hem, I did do some backwards things. I hemmed my pants with the hem on the right side of the pants instead of the wrong side. Instead of picking all of those little stretch stitches, I just simply turned that hem over and made another hem on the wrong side of the pants, and it worked just fine. I would sew this pattern again, and I would also recommend this pattern maybe for an advanced beginner. And I say that because you do have to elasticate your waistband as well as put in slashed pockets. Let's talk about the waistband. For the waistband, you put the waistband together first, including putting the elastic in. Then you sew that waistband to the pants, which means you have to ease all of that fabric in. That's one of the things I think I did not like about the way that the pattern was constructed. I think it probably would have been better if I had sewn the waistband on first and then added my elastic. One reason why is because of the pockets. Easing the fabric in, to me, made me unsure of where my pockets were going to land. And when I wore the pants, I kind of felt like they were off a little bit. Maybe not noticeable to anyone else, but wearing them, that's just how I felt. I think my dislike for my finished product, not really that I don't like it, but in my head, I had a whole vision of how the look was going to come together. And it just did not come together as I envisioned it. One, I was impatient. I envisioned these pants with a nice red top that I have in my wardrobe. And when I wore the pants, I'd already worn the red top earlier in the week. So I decided to pair the pants with an orange top that I have. Now, once I got to work, I realized that this outfit was not looking like it should look. The orange top was just not bright enough to match how vibrant the pants were. And I just felt so self-conscious throughout the day. I got a lot of compliments on the pants, but looking at myself, I was just unhappy. I felt frumpy and very much like a clown, and I was just ready for the day to be over so I could go home. And let me remind you, when I got off work, my husband dropped me off at the nail shop and said, "Are those pants supposed to be attractive to men?" Once I did reach home, I went ahead and tried on the red top that I had, and that top didn't fit well with it either. It was not as vibrant as I thought it would be. I ended up putting on a white tank top, which was very white and crisp, and got the job done. I still don't think it's the exact right fit for the pants, but I mean, I don't know. I'm going to show you pictures and you let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions or advice on what kind of fabric I could have used or what colors would have went well with these pants, let me know down in the comments because your girl is lost. Okay, I love the pants, I want to wear them, but I really feel like I just need to redo them in a completely different fabric. While I did enjoy sewing the pants, the outfit just did not pop the way I thought it would. Hopefully you decided to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.